to anyone looking for a wand that is powerful, that can hold a curl. Highly recommend CurlQ. Hey y'all. I bet you didn't expect to see me on your screen. I know it's been quite some time since I have been on here. A lot has happened in the last few years. I'm slowly making my way back with a focus on family, still family, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. We're starting with this video here, and I'm going to be reviewing a product. We're going to start out with some beauty. CurlQ. Let's get right into this one, and let's first start with an unboxing. So this product is titanium and ceramic technology. It has a rapid heat up system, 12 temperature setting, and a 360 swivel cord. What's in this box? We're gonna have our CurlQ device, 5 versatile attachments, heat protection glove, very important, and the instruction manual. Look at that. And then we've got the tools. So we've got the hot tool brush and 3 different curling iron attachments. So today I'm gonna go for bigger waves. Brush attachment, which is important. And we've got our main brush tool. How gorgeous is this though, gotta say. So you have your lock system right here. So you would just twist to the unlock and then remove. Press and hold so you can see it like heating up. In for the next. I haven't even used any product and boom, look at this go. But we must use heat protectant, so I'll be right back. Just gonna brush through, smooth up the hair as much as possible so there's no bumps. Woo, you can go even higher. This is amazing. Look at the silkiness of my hair. It was so matted and now it's silky and straight just from a brush. Like I don't even have to straighten my hair. Doesn't get any better than this, and it's quick. Literally took me 3 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and come right back. Okay, so now that I've got all the kinks and bumps out of my hair, it's time to switch this over to 1.5 titanium barrel to get those waves going. Woo, that instantly heated up. Fair warning, make sure you turn it off before you switch because it heats up very quickly. Ooh, I should be using the glove. I'm gonna stop in a second and use the glove for the purposes of this video. But let's take a look at that wave. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Look how gorgeous that wave is. Like so pretty. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So as you can see here, the waves are in place. We have the straight side and we have the wavy side, and I absolutely love these waves. This tool is so far so good. Go ahead and do the other side and then show you all. Okay friends, so I am officially done my hair. As you can see the waves, like look at that. Highly recommend CurlQ to anyone looking for a wand that is powerful, that can hold a curl, that has multiple attachments, multiple sizes again, 1 inch, 1.25 inches, and 1.5 inches. So you have a variety. You've also got the brush to straighten, and you've also got the thermal brush, which you can use for blowouts. So highly recommend. Love my waves. And now I'm all ready to go to my event as well. Thank you so much, CurlQ. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try out the other attachments as well. So stay tuned, and you can also follow me on TikTok at rachelsavaunnah and Instagram at rachelsavaunnah. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for welcoming me back with open arms.